Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov. I hope you are having a great day, and I'm recording a quick urgent video because Crypto.com announced updates on the CRO card rewards, which hurt the community. And as you know, I've been supporting Crypto.com with many videos on my YouTube channel. I have reviewed their Visa cards, platforms. I have dedicated a lot of time, and now when they update the CRO rewards, it's like our content is not relevant anymore. So you can see that they have lowered the cashbacks, and this is really bad. I have announced that on my Patreon's page for everyone who's following me as well. I have sold my CRO tokens at 0.30. Actually the price was a little bit higher, however I'm still on profit. My average price is 0.16 and I'm nearly at $200 of a profit from that position. However, this will hurt the CRO price, and I know there are many holders. With the time the CRO went up to $1, then the bear market was really negative on CRO, but still it was going sideways, right? Now you can see that with that negative news, we have the CRO breaking the support we had after the bull run, right at here at 0.31. And if I switch to hourly chart, you will see that this happened just in the last 1 hour, so still not a lot of people know about it. That's why I decided to make this video as urgent as possible, so you will decide for yourself if you will be selling it or if you will be keeping it. However, I have preferred to sell the CRO that I had because I believe the CRO will fall down, and I don't know how far it may go down. The next support levels are at 0.18, which is really a huge disaster if everyone starts to sell CRO just as I did. However, I'll be super happy buying it again at 0.20 or so. And don't get me wrong, I'm still supporting the Crypto.com platform as one of the best exchanges we may have out there, but such news are really hurting the community, guys. And if you look at their new percentages, they are horrible. It's 0.5 on Ruby Steel, it was 2%, and with the Roll Indigo that I recently updated, it was 3%. Now it is a 1.5, and 0.5 for no stake, and for active stake is 1.5. And you can read the whole thing on their website. I will drop the link below, but that's not really what the community want to see, especially if you have just invested and you're getting your CRO card, you're waiting for the cashbacks and you get less. However, they are keeping the promise of the 6-month stake, so everyone who staked before today, 1st of May 2022, will continue to earn CRO card rewards on spending at the current rate, right until the stake period is over. And I'm actually in such a period with my Royal Indigo, so what will happen after my period is over? I'm very likely to sell it off because I don't want to have that CRO card anymore, right? I'll be getting a very small reward, and I'll prefer to use the Binance card, for example, where I'll be getting more cashbacks. And it's not just me, it's millions of people out there using CRO cards, and if one starts to sell crocoin after the 180 day is over, we may expect a consistent drop in the CRO, and I don't know how far it will go. And it's an accident news. They didn't warn anybody, which is horrible. Some time ago they lowered the referral reward. Like, as a YouTuber, sometimes I put in the description that you can get bonus if you use my referral link, and I'll get $25 in CRO coins, you'll get 25. It's a win-win situation. Before it was 50, and before lowering to 25 they have announced it, and this news came like from nowhere, which is quite disappointing. They should have warned for this decision. However, it's their choice. They're hurting the community will hurt them back with sell-off on crocoin. Hopefully not that much. I prefer to sell off as well, and I'll be waiting for 0.20 or so to buy some CROs. I hope this video is not very disappointing for you. If you have just bought the CRO tokens, or if you have just received the CRO card, it is still a great product to have, but for me it is not really a good thing. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I wish you a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more of my videos and updates on cryptos, NFTs, and everything that is related to making money. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.